If you want your app to take pictures directly from a device's camera, Thunkable makes it possible through its camera functionality. This is useful for apps that need profile photos, inventory images, receipts, event pictures, or any feature that requires users to capture images in real time. Start by opening Thunkable and selecting the project you want to work on. Once your project loads, navigate to the screen where you want users to be able to take photos. With Thunkable's newer AI-powered workflow, you can use the AI chat to add camera functionality instead of manually searching for components and configuring blocks. Simply open in the chat panel and describe what you want your app to do. For example, you can type a prompt such as add a camera feature that lets users take a photo and display it on the screen, or create a button that opens the device camera and shows the captured image. The AI will analyze your request and generate the necessary functionality for your project. After processing the prompt, Thunkable will create the required elements, such as a button to launch the camera and an area where the captured image can be displayed. Depending on your request, it may also generate logic to save the image, replace an existing image, or use the photo elsewhere in the app. Once the setup is complete, review the generated screen. You should see the camera-related features added to your app. At this point, you can preview the project and test the functionality on a supported device. When a user taps the camera button, the device will request permission to access the camera if permission has not already been granted. After approval, the camera will open, allowing the user to take a picture. Once the photo is captured, the image will be returned to the app and displayed according to the behavior you requested. If you'd like additional functionality, you can continue refining the feature through the AI chat. For example, you can ask the AI to save captured photos to a database, upload them to a cloud service, attach them to user profiles, or display them inside a gallery. You can also request image validation, resizing, or confirmation messages after a photo is taken. One of the advantages of using the AI workflow is that you can continue improving the camera experience without manually rebuilding the feature. Simply describe the changes you want, and the AI can update the implementation for you. Before publishing your app, it's a good idea to test the camera feature on an actual mobile device. This ensures that permissions, image capture, and display behavior all work as expected in a real-world environment. And that's how you can capture photos using the camera functionality in Thunkable. Simply open your project, use the AI chat to describe the camera feature you want, test the generated implementation, and refine it through additional prompts until it matches your app's requirements.